Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. So I'm gonna here today just to show you the computer tips and the tricks. So what is the subject? How to just screenshot in the computer or the laptop. This is the main focus on it today. So what should I do? First of all, it is very shortcut and very easy. If you know the tricks for the people, you know it. But if you don't understand or maybe don't know the previous, then just it is benefit for you. So now I'm gonna here just to show you how to shortcut doing this one. You see to my screen. First of all, I need use some key and shortcut. First of all, what can I do? I need just the Windows key plus the print screen key. Print screen key, I think everyone knows about it. So first of all, you should go to the press the Windows key plus press the print key, print screen key. You see how it's already done, but we don't know how it's happening. So how we now open this file? Just go to the again Windows key and press E. You see, I will get this one. You see, this one opening. Exactly. You see how it's done. Fantastic. It's very easy and very cool. So you just know these tricks. And another tricks now I'm gonna hear. Another trick is that again go to the Windows key plus Shift plus S. Just go to the again. I'm saying again. Just go to the Windows key plus Shift key plus S. Oh my God, how is happen now? Which one do you like? Which one do you select? You just decide. Anywhere you can select. If I select this one like that, you see, just I'm selecting this one. You see, I'll select this one. Okay, right now you see how it's happening is there. You see, just go snap here and it's asking for the save. Go to the here where it is save. Here to save and what do you need or what do you like to give the name? Just you see, I just uh, like that. Sorry, screen 7 like that. Where am I select this first? I just this one select this here. You see, screen 7 exactly. Cool, very cool. You see, just this indicated area, just I selected area and it is saved. Last trips for this screenshot, just go to the print again, print screen, the keyboard of the print keyboard. Go to the key print, print screen keyboard. Go to the here, and you see you cannot observe here or you cannot see here, but it is automatic done. So you need just to go another apps. Which one is? You type here for the paint. This one already. But if you don't have, just go to the P and G. You see paint. Paint key is over here. You need just to Control V. You see? Yes. Cool. It's very cool and magic. It's very cool and magic. Just you need to now save. Where save? You see? Yes, you can save PNG or others file. Any files you can choose or it is. Alright, it's very good and it's very nice. So this is where it was a short video and thanks for watching. Thank you.